Happy December 4th, YouTube. It is Monday, 2017, approximately 11:30 in the morning. PJJ Avery commented on one of my coils. And yes, old lab rat does these. Of course, Tesla was laying coils on the ground a while ago, and he actually got in trouble for it. But that's a whole nother story. He was doing something different. Yeah, you can do a lot of neat stuff with copper wire. And if you watch any Hutchison videos, he grabs free energy from the air. If you hang your copper wire 6 feet up, we could do an experiment, but why bother? I could hang some up from this tree here. Cleaning up the yard, you can see my little coils are clearly marked so I don't run them over with the lawnmower. We're supposed to have rain. I was going to show you the live Doppler, but can't really get a good shot on the phone. I think my little orgonite's been busy. You can see this darker stuff, this dark low-hanging stuff. It gets towards my place and it just breaks apart. They were doing their little wavy lines, and the muck cleared up. Look at, we can see blue. We can see blue sky. This is towards the north. We're supposed to have some really strong wind gusts this afternoon. That's one nice thing about these coils, is you can put them on the ground and they won't flip around. You can see I've got my work cut out with the yard work. I let the weeds get away from me. But in any event, I'm too busy messing with stuff. That's why. You want to make sure that you don't have your little coils. I'm mindful of how these are facing, how these are facing. And yes, old lab rat has some very good videos about these little guys, and they're just ion splitters. You can put a jug of water on them, it'll ionize your water. But what we're doing is basically just sending a vortex of sorts up into the atmosphere, and supposedly it gets rid of like radiation, any of this crap, the nanotech they're spraying, supposedly. Hopefully it confuses it. I gotta tell you, you feel like you're in a vortex when you stand in the middle. I try not to stand in the middle of this little triangle too long. Could probably scooch the box back a little bit. But in any event, doing a field test today. We're supposed to have a cold front, really cold air coming in. It's almost 60 degrees right now for December 4th in Chicagoland. That's unheard of. And tomorrow our high is going to be 30. It's going to plunge. It actually feels like it's getting a little cooler now. Trying to pan really slow. The first video I made almost made me sick when I looked at it. I was spinning around in circles. But yeah, it's just a chemical soup what they got now. And anytime a front's coming in, they just spray their crap everywhere. And so I'm going to be monitoring this for the rest of the afternoon till it's daylight anyway. And we'll see if any of the crystals get damaged. Because, boy, they really screwed the one crystal I had buried out here. And it was buried about in the same spot. I think, yeah, this is where I had it buried. So again, my little field test. And we'll see what happens. Everybody have a fantastic day.